In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see user activity in Xero, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. This process is super helpful for tracking what's happening in your Xero account, allowing you to keep an eye on any changes or updates made by your team. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to fire up your browser and head over to the Xero website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner and click on Log In. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, so go ahead and type in your email and password. Once you've done that, click on the login button again to access your account. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the Xero dashboard. This dashboard is your control center for everything in Xero. From here, look towards the top of the page for your company's name. It's usually somewhere near the title bar. Click on your company name and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This section is where you can manage and adjust various aspects of your Xero account. In the settings menu, you'll see a link that reads Looking for Advanced Settings. Click on that and it will lead you to a more detailed view of your account settings. Now keep an eye out for the History and Notes section. This is where the magic happens. Once you've clicked on History and Notes, you'll find yourself in a section that allows you to review and track all activities. You can browse through all the changes that have been made in your account. To make things even easier, there's a search bar that lets you filter the activity feed. You have a couple of handy options here. You can search by all users, all types, or use the search bar to enter specific terms or user names that you're interested in tracking. Navigating through your user activity this way ensures that you have a comprehensive view of everything that's happening in your Xero account, giving you peace of mind and control. It's a straightforward process, yet incredibly powerful for managing and monitoring user actions within your company's bookkeeping. And there you have it, you've now empowered yourself with the ability to track and manage user activity in Xero confidently. This tool is fantastic for keeping tabs on your team's input and maintaining your finances' integrity. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on mastering Xero. Until next time, take care.